Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn string tokenizer class. So let's start today's video lecture. String tokenizer in Java. The java.util.stringTokenizer class allows you to break a string into tokens. It is simple way to break a string. Important constructors of string tokenizer class is string tokenizer with a string parameter, create string tokenizer with specified string tokenizer, string and string delimiter, create string tokenizer with specified string and delimiter, string tokenizer, string, string delimiter and boolean return value, create string tokenizer with specified string class, delimiter and return value. If return value is true, delimiter characters are considered to be tokens. If it is false, delimiter characters serve two separate tokens. Important method of string tokenizer class. Just read, sorry, this is the constructor. So some important method of string tokenizer class are method and description. Boolean has more tokens. Checks if there is more tokens available or not. Next token, return the next token from the string tokenizer object. Next token with the delimiter, return the next token based on the delimiter has more elements, same as has more tokens method. Next element same as next token, but it returns type is object. Int count tokens, return the total number of tokens. Simple example of string tokenizer class that tokenize a string my name is Khan on the basis of white space. So here we create a class simple, and in this class we create the object of string tokenizer class with the string my name is Khan and the delimiter is space. So it will break this string from the space. So if you want to print the token or the element after the breaking from the space, you will use the while loop, then call the has more tokens method. It will check there is more tokens is available or not, and for printing the tokens you will call the next to token. So if you run this program you will get the output my name is Khan. Okay, so this tokenizers class is divide or break the string on the passes delimiter. So let's I show you this program on Eclipse IDE. So this is the example of string tokenizer class. Here we are tokenizing this string on the white space. So if you run this program, you will get the output my name is Khan because it is breaking the string on the basis of space. Example of next token string delimiter method of string initializer class. Okay, so here we create a string tokenizer class with the string my comma name comma is comma Khan. The print the next token is system.out.println. Next token is next token or delimiter. They are passing the delimiter only. So the output for this program will be next token is my, means The string tokenizer class is deprecated now. It is recommended to use split method of string class or regular expression. So the string tokenizer class is not used in the industry right now. In the industry we use a split method of the string class, or we use a regular expression for tokenizing the string. So thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.